Hello, my name is George, and I am the paid media strategist for Coastal Clicks. In this video, I wanted to show you two case studies from two different real estate lawyer clients that we have to give you a better understanding of results that you could expect if you were to advertise. So this first client, they really don't do much in the way of real estate law, but they really do focus on eviction. So that's all we advertise for them. As you can see, these results are based on the month of March. It's a few days after Easter at this recording, so I wanted to show you a complete month of results. Their budget is $16.70 per day. They wanted to keep the budget low. But despite that, they've had 22 and a half conversions for the month at a cost of $23.04, and they spent a total in advertising of $518.40. Pretty good return, really, when you think about it. So considering a 5-day work week, they're getting calls every day. Now, this is interesting over here. What this shows you is, the type of conversion that took place. So, for example, this first one, calls from ads, that had 6. This is actually a click-to-call function that's placed on mobile devices when someone's looking at your ad on their cell phone. If they see the ad, if they want to make the call, all they have to do is click the link, and it automatically generates the call. So that's what this is. This next one is a contact us web form. That's a standard web form that we have on their website. So if they want to request information, they fill it out and they click the submit button. They had 2 for this type of conversion in the month of March. Now, this next one, website call tracking, that's probably the most valuable. These are the best quality leads. And as you can see, he had 14 and a half during the month of March. Now, you're probably wondering, well, how do you get 14 and a half calls or 22 and a half conversions? The way that works is, this is because of the attribution method that we're using. So, for example, someone may click on an ad and not convert, but maybe a few days later, they click on another ad and they end up converting. So the system attributes 50% of the click, or 50% of the credit for the conversion to both clicks. So that's how that works. That's why you're seeing that. Okay, so that's this client. Now let me show you the other one. So this lawyer, he practices a number of different categories of law. Real estate law is his primary, but he also does evictions. He also does probates, estate planning, wills, business law, corporate law. So we advertise all of those services for him. But the main driver of volume comes from his real estate law category as well as evictions. So as you can see, and again, it's for the same time frame as the last one. So it's for the month of March. As you can see, his budget is $47 per day. It's a little less than $1,500 a month. $5 of that per day is assigned to a display remarketing campaign that we have set up for him. The way that works is, if someone visits your website, we will cookie or pixel them, and then we'll follow them around the web with banner ads. So it's a great way to keep your business in front of people who have engaged with your website, and it's very low cost. He's spending $42 a day for the Search Network. Search Network is the bread and butter. This is where people type in a keyword. If they're looking for, say, a real estate lawyer in your city, then they have a good chance of seeing your ad. And they are typically, there's typically strong commercial intent with the keywords that we bid on. So in the Search Network, he brought in 75 leads for the month of March at a total cost per lead of $17.02. Total cost per lead for the entire account of only $19.04. Again, pretty good results. He spent $1,428 for the month of March. Now, what's interesting here, calls from ads, which as I described is it's the click to call link on mobile devices. He had 15. The website call tracking generated 60 leads, but there were no web form submits, which is unusual. Usually there's anywhere from 2 to 10 per month. But I guess in the month of March, everybody wanted to call. So anyway, these are two different clients. Hopefully gives you a good idea of what results you could expect. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.